Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the word order quiz challenge? Rearrange the words to form a proper sentence with 30 quick-fire questions and test your English skills. Watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you rearrange the words and form a proper sentence? Correct sentence is my name is John. What's the correct sentence? Answer is I like black coffee. Let's see if you can fix this one. Correct sentence is she is going to the market. Rearrange the words. What's the sentence? Correct sentence is I love cats as animals. Can you guess the correct sentence? He bought his new car. Try this challenge. What's your answer? Correct sentence is they enjoyed the party. Think fast. What's the right sentence? Answer is he drives very fast. Can you solve this quickly? Correct sentence is I speak English fluently. What do you think the proper sentence is? She is never late. Rearrange these words. Answer is he works at night. Here's your next challenge. Fix this sentence. Correct sentence is the children are playing in the garden. Can you rearrange these words? We are going on holiday next. What's the right sentence? Correct sentence is our team won the match. What's your answer for this one? Answer is she is very intelligent. Fix this jumbled sentence. Correct sentence is I forgot my umbrella. Let's test your skills. Can you solve it? Answer is I will meet you tomorrow. Rearrange the words and form a sentence. Correct sentence is my father is a businessman. What could be the right sentence here? Answer is always clean your hands before you eat. Can you fix this sentence? Correct sentence is yesterday was her birthday. Try this one. What's the correct sentence? Answer is we are having lunch now. Rearrange these words. Correct sentence is he walks to school every day. What's the proper sentence? Answer is this place is beautiful. Fix this scrambled sentence. Correct sentence is she lives in London. Can you guess the right sentence? Answer is they finished the painting. Try to solve this one. Correct sentence is he always gets up early. What do you think the correct sentence is? Answer is I bought a new camera. Rearrange these words into a proper sentence. The book was interesting is the correct sentence. Let's see if you can fix this one. Answer is the dog is barking loudly. What's the right sentence for this one? sentence is my younger brother is studying? Final challenge. Can you guess the correct sentence? Answer: she is singing a beautiful song. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 30 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!